Chip is so excited to read for us. Okay. Let's flip the pages. We've never read this page. Trip, have we ever read this page before?
No.
Okay. Hold on just a second. Let me see what... Okay. You want to read it? Okay.
Why is that turkey holding something?
He's not a turkey. What is he? Why don't we read that last word?
Hen.
So what's that first sentence say?
Hen.
Very good. What does this say? All of that.
You read it to me.
You just read it.
You read it to me.
Okay, right here.
Red hen.
What about the red hen? When there are two E's, they do what?
The second E is silent and the other one is not silent.
Very good. So what does this say?
E. Red hen.
Very good. What does this say? You had it right. Duh. Very good. Very good. So what's that word?
I don't know.
You sound it out again?
You help.
I am right
You
here.
cover it. You don't cover it.
Okay.
Hen.
What's the word right below it that we were reading? We were on this sentence. See the red hen. What does that say? Chip, what's that word? You got it right, duh.
Dog.
Hole. So what's this sentence say?
The hen dug a hole.
It's incredible, Trip. Great job. What about this last sentence?
A bug bit me.
Oh.
Outside.
Oh, no. Okay, last sentence. You're doing such an amazing job, Trip.
We could save the last for where does I have a bug bite?
Because you have a bug bite.
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to read this last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words?
No. They'll do it later.
How about let's finish this page? We have already read this word. What's that word? Very good. Very good. What about this last sentence? What's that word? Very good. Here, we're on, the hen. Very good. Now that's going to be a short O.
Oh.
What's that word? That's a B.
Bug.
What's that word?
The hen dug a bug.
Not dug, but the hen.
Has
What's that word? G.
g. Oh. Got.
So what does it say?
The hen got the bug.
It's incredible, Chip. You just read that entire page. I'm so proud of you.
Why is he holding a bug?
We don't know why the hen's holding a bug. Do you want to blow everyone a kiss and say good night?
Good night.
Great job, Trip.